Hi everyone, this is Joseph and this is Margaret, and we are going to talk about the internship. So in this video, we're going to talk about the hiring process, about the heart behind it. We're going to talk about what to expect, and then some closing thoughts and encouragement. I hope you enjoy this video. Let's go.
So we usually request for a resume, a cover letter, and the most recent unofficial transcripts. From there, I'll usually review all of the applications. And the next step is that I will schedule a Zoom interview that's about 15 minutes. The purpose behind it is just trying to get to know each person a little bit better. And it's also an opportunity for you to ask any questions that you may have. And I'll also share a little bit about the process. So that usually will happen within about 2 weeks from submitting your application. And then once you complete your Zoom interview, if you're selected to move forward, then you'll participate in what's called a field day interview. That will usually consist of you coming into our office. You'll have the opportunity to meet staff and other current interns. And from there, we'll give you an assignment that usually consists of writing, research, and some light administrative tasks, just so you can get a feel for what your internship can potentially look like. And we really just want you to get a feel for our entire office and just to make sure that you're a right fit for us, but also give you the opportunity to make sure that we're the right fit for you. So usually after we complete all the Zoom interviews and the field day interviews, then our team of hiring managers will get together. And then basically from there, you're selected to move forward and you get paired with a supervisor or a mentor. We do our best to communicate with you and let you know where we're at each stage, and then for you to have a final answer within 3 weeks. I would say it does make a big difference if they send an email. It's just like a little thing, a little extra step that people take that I feel like really shows that they're interested and that they really want the internship. The second thing is to come to the internship prepared with questions. The third thing is they can speak on something that we're actually working on that really stands out, because again, it shows me that you're specifically applying to this internship, that you want to be here, and that you've done your research. We usually do tend to receive anywhere between 75 to 100 applications, and sometimes we're only recruiting about maybe 10 to 15 interns. We only have a select amount of spaces, but we do usually like to keep people on a wait list. Sometimes we do have other vacancies that open up, and I usually try to circle back to that initial list and check in with people to see if they're still interested. We really encourage you, if you are really interested, to reapply and to not get discouraged, because again, we just have to reject so many very smart, capable interns. You'll start working immediately with your supervisor, and you'll start what we call the training process. And that usually consists of the first 140 hours, where we're basically teaching you a lot of the fundamentals, get your feet wet, start working on some simple letters, forms, for example, briefs. And then once you complete the training period, it usually takes about 3 months, and then you'll have a performance evaluation to be able to receive formal feedback from their supervisor. Then you'll continue on with your internship. You'll work a little bit more independently. You'll basically get to work on different real cases with real deadlines, but essentially you'll have the opportunity by the end of it to feel very confident about what it takes to put a real case together, how to conduct legal research, how to write an attorney brief, and how to work with the clients to build it up from beginning to end.
I started it in 2013 because I believe strong, capable, smart college students with the right guidance and mentorship can do outstanding work for themselves and for the firm. What college students lack is the opportunity to prove themselves. And so we created this internship to let them shadow different account managers, to do different cases, and to empower them to try their best. Generally, a 6-month internship should allow somebody who coming in with no work experience, we give you an argument, we give you a task, like, this is what we're trying to do. This is the argument we need to make to win this case. This is the best we can do. This is what the clients have given. Can you make it any better? Can you research something? Can you use AI? Can you use anything to make this case better? They process it, they organize it, they research it, they put it together, and they file it, and fingers crossed, sometimes within a few weeks, sometimes a month, you see the outcome. And that's why some of the interns who've been here for 6 months can build up a resume with having won appeals, having won major international investment cases, things that senior attorneys work on, but they get to do. We created the legal internship back in 2013, and then we eventually expanded it to a business internship, and then we created the media internship because we have a media department. But it's all based on the same thing. Passionate, capable college students with a vision of their future, given the right mentorship and guidance, they can do amazing things. I can't believe it's been 12 years since we started this internship, and yet there's still so much that we want to do to improve this entire experience. So much of this firm has been improved upon, has been touched upon, has been made better by all the interns. I really love this program. It is a core of who we are. If you are interested in applying and joining, please let us know. I hope this video gave you a good sneak peek into the heart behind our internship, what it's like. With that being said, thank you for watching. Take care, and bye-bye.
Be part of this process for the last about, no, I don't know what to say, Joseph.
But with an intern's help, it could just become that much better. And so it's a win-win for us, for you, and for the client, and also for the government. It makes their job easier when the case is well prepared. Anything to add?
And today I'll be giving you an overview about the internship process and what you can expect if you're hired or if you're working with us.
Thank you. Okay, good.